Welcome cloud lovers. I hope you all are fine. So today we will be going to complete our part 2 of load balancers. In the part 1 we have created application load balancers with which we have created target groups and sticky session. So in part 2 we will be going to cover network load balancer wherein in the first step we will create two EC2 instances and run Apache2 and Nginx web servers on it. Then we will create the target group and then we will attach these two instances with our target group, and third we will create the network load balancer. So let's start. We will go to aws.amazon.com and click on sign into the console. If you do not have your account, make sure to log into aws.amazon.com/free to create your free tier account. Here we have to go to EC2 because we are going to create two EC2 instances. First of all, click on instances, launch instance, click on it. We will name it later. We will go with Ubuntu operating system and AMI will be free tier 1 and free tier instance type, that will be okay. Key pair, I have already created a key pair, my Ubuntu key pair. If you don't know how to create it, please check our previous video. I will share the link of all my videos in description. Click edit. Here I will go with all kind of traffic with on all ports and with all sources, that will be okay. Number of instance I need 2. And launch instance. Here we can see 2 instances. Click and update. So let's go to EC2 dashboard, click on instance running. So we have 2 instances which we name as Apache2 NLB and Nginx NLB. So let me open first Apache2 and click on connect, and click on connect to open the virtual machine. Let me also open this Nginx NLB. Click on connect. So this is our Apache NLB machine. We will be going to first of all update sudo apt-get update. Let's run it. Let me also run the same in our Nginx NLB. Sudo apt-get update. Done. So we are in Nginx NLB, so we will be going to install Nginx here. Sudo apt-get install Nginx. So this will install Nginx web server on it. Let's go to our Apache one. Let's install Apache web server here. Sudo apt-get install Apache2. Let it work. Okay, so it is downloaded and installed. Let's go to the instance, copy the public IP address. This is our Nginx machine. Copy the IP address and paste it here and check. Yes, it's working. Let's open our Apache instance. This is our Apache instance. Copy this public IP address from here, paste it here, and see if Apache is installed. Yes, Apache is also installed. So we have completed step 1 wherein we have created EC2 instances and installed web servers on it. Let's create the target group. So we have completed our step 1. Let's go to step 2. We will be going to create a network load balancer and target group. and we will attach the instances. So it is very simple. We will go with simply create load balancer. Go to load balancers, click on create load balancer. We will be going with network load balancer. Click on create, give it a name, for example nlb-demo. Internet facing will be okay, IPv4 will be okay, VPC default which is linked with our EC2 instances, that is also correct. We will select all the availability zones. Listener, so here we have to create the target group, so click on create target group. We will choose target type as instances because we will be going to attach our instances with it. Give it a name, for example tg-nlb, that will be okay. TCP port 80, okay, and VPC default. Great. Health check HTTP. Click on next. Here we can see two instances which we have created and installed, Apache and Nginx. Click on it, include as pending below, and click on create target group. Go to load balancer again, refresh, and here we can see our newly created target group. We have selected it. Let's go to create load balancer. Click on it and view load balancer. So we have created our load balancer, that is NLB demo. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes to process. So while it is processing, guys, let me tell you, I used to refer our cloud documentation provided by AWS to understand the theory and the practical. So you do not need any kind of training for it. You should go to aws.amazon.com, click on documentation here, okay, and click on view all documentation. Here you will find each and every documentation around every service of AWS. So here you need to mention load balancer, elastic load balancing. Click on it, and here you can see the user guide. We are going for the network load balancer, so click on here, HTML, and it will showcase network load balancer theory, everything which you need. So here we are on load balancers page, and we can see our network load balancer is active now. Let's click on it. Let's see if it's working. Yes, it's working fine. Let's copy the DNS name from here and paste it the URL. So here we can see it moved to Apache2 default page, and again it moved to welcome to Nginx. So guys, that's how it works in network load balancer, and that was our task of the day. So thank you so much for watching our videos. In our next video we will be going to create auto scaling projects. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching our content on Cloud in Minutes. Bye bye, take care.